Hello everybody. As you can see now, we have an 8 doors, one direction panel. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doors, 8 relays, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means we don't have extension relays for this panel. But anyway, we have all the locks for it, exit buttons and sensors. As well, you see the connection 232 and 45 connection, energy. This panel specific doesn't have the IP module, but you can ask for it. It's already included. It will be built in, and that's it. If you want more information, please contact us. We'll be happy to clarify everything. Enjoy. Have a nice day.